What is up? It is Draven, and today I'm gonna be filming kind of like a Bratz lip look, kind of like how you can like shape your lips, like make them look pouty, a little bit bigger, you know. We're gonna be doing like a little bit of overlining, but also underlining as well to like get that pouty shape. Okay, so first make sure your lips are like, you know, at least have chapstick on it, and lip balm, whatever, scrub your lips before. I did that earlier, so I think I'm good. Okay, so first I start off with a dark lip liner. I'm gonna be using the Salem liquid lipstick from Lime Crime, and also this little brush from Anastasia. It's a number 3 brush. I'm pretty sure it's a lip liner brush. You could also use a concealer brush as well. Whatever works for you. We want to get like a nice, tight, clean lines. Okay, so first basically I'm be kind of lining where I want my lips to be. I put it on my hand so that way I can just easily dip it on there. Okay, so I'm not gonna start at my line. You see how my lip is right there? I'm not gonna start like right there. I think I'm gonna kind of curve in to kind of get like to make my lip look plumper in the end. Let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so right there we start at the very inner corner of my lip right there. But I'm not gonna follow my natural line. See already, I'm already trying to underline already. And we go up, we curve it up, and just that, I'm actually gonna overline on my top of my lip. And I'm kind of fill in this area right here, get some depth on the lip, and blend it out just a little bit. I'm just adding shadows on the other corners because I feel like that adds more depth and it makes the middle of the lip pop out more. Hydrating your lips is key. Makes your lips look plump and just young, I guess. I don't know. It also helps them make them look bigger, I guess, when they're nice and hydrated. Otherwise, when they're dry, they kind of shrivel down, or they just look like little old lips, you know. Okay, so I'm essentially be doing the same thing on the bottom lip. I'm gonna curve and start from the corner and underline as well. I already underlined right there. I just kind of basically cut off like the corner of my lip. No, maybe I shouldn't have started from the actual corner of my lip. I should have started like more like right here, but we're gonna fix it later, concealer, so no big deal. See already, my dog is barking. Already my lips are already looking plump. And of course we're gonna blend the corners out, add some depth to it. Also, my dog's barking. Nothing I can do about it. He just likes to bark. Okay, so I'm gonna add like some lines right here. In the middle. That's not in the middle. Oh well. Remove that real quick. Okay, we're gonna do it actually in the middle this time. And then on top. We're gonna add it right here, and in the middle as well. And this makes our lips look more plumper, gives it more shape. I think I'm gonna conceal after I finish applying like all the lipstick on, because sometimes when I put the lighter shade in the middle, it gets on the edges because I'm just so used to my natural shape, so I think I'm gonna wait to clean up afterwards. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. This one came with the Undress set, I think. It was like one of the holiday boxes or whatever sets. I'm applying it onto the middle of the lips. Like so. And like that. And I'm going to blend out my finger. And you see it's already like kind of getting to the edges. Like I'm pretty messy with my finger. Okay, so I'm trying to blend out the brush. Okay, so next I'm going to be using concealer to kind of clean up the edges. We're going to be going back with the underlining stuff to make sure the edges are nice and clean. Okay, so next, I normally don't wear lip gloss, but usually when I do videos or just looks, take pictures, hang around the house, I do wear lip gloss. The reason why I don't wear lip gloss out in public is because, I think the reason why I don't wear lip gloss out in public is because it gets really windy where I live and my hair is really long, so when my hair gets in my lips, you know, it feels really nasty. So yeah, that's why I don't wear lip gloss out in public unless my hair is pulled back or if it's like a really, like there's no wind at all, which is really rare, but, you know. But, you know, something that I do take advantage of my lip gloss sometimes, you know, I don't wear it as often, but I do like wearing it because I think it looks really pretty. But anyway, so we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Summer Vibes. This one came with the Undress Christmas lip set as well. I think lip gloss gives a nice pop to the lips, it makes it pop out, but of course you don't have to wear lip gloss if you don't like it. There's also some like shimmery lipsticks that you can throw on, maybe even like shimmery eyeshadow, like a little bit, not too much to where it dries out your lips, but you can do that as well to make your lips pop some more. Okay, so that's it for this lip tutorial. Obviously use a concealer that matches your shade better, one that's not too light, otherwise it might look a little funny, but honestly from far away you can't really tell my concealer is lighter. I probably should have gone more light-handed on this side because it's really white. I'm not as pale as I used to be, but actually even then when I bought this I was really pale and I bought this and this is still too light. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-hour Camo Concealer and I love it, it's so good. But I mainly use it for like dark circles and maybe like highlighting areas I want to highlight. But make sure to leave a thumbs up if you liked it. It consists a lot of like making your lips smaller more than like overlining. You would think like doing a Bratz pout look, it would be like all overlined, like, huge lips, but no. Most of it's underlining. You just gotta make your lips look more pouty, you gotta make it curvy. Also, yeah, I mean there is overlining involved, like on the top lip, and I also do the bottom lip as well. If you have a more bigger bottom lip or whatever, you don't really have to do it. Of course, you go along your natural lip shape. You can like adjust it as much as you want. This is how I do my Bratz lip. Of course, you gotta keep like all the volume concentrated in the center of the lip. Kind of how a Bratz doll is. Their lips are like really big and voluminous in the middle, and then in the corners they kind of just, you know, they kind of get smaller. They have like a little tiny corner. And of course, lip gloss or a shimmery shade to get that more effect, you know, that more Bratz effect, you know, to make it more shiny and pop out more. So yeah, so I think all you need, you can use it with like any like lipstick color you want. You can like mix and match. You can do like a dark pink or like even a purple and line it with like a dark pink or purple and then do like a lighter pink and then maybe like a pink gloss if you want to go for like pink. You can do it with like any kind of colors you want to, honestly. I've even done like a dark purple with like a red in the middle. I think that looks like, that's like more for like a vampy look, but I love it so much. It looks really beautiful. So yeah, so that is it for today's tutorial. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys!